Hi, in this video, I will be showing you problem number 15 of the practice exam 1. The equation of the line is given below. 3x plus 6y equal to 15. Find the x-intercept and the y-intercept, then use them to graph the line. X-intercept is a point on the x-axis where the line crosses the x-axis. Being a point on the x-axis, its y-coordinate would be 0. So in order to find out the x-intercept, we have to set the y to 0. So set y equal to 0. So in the equation we get 3x plus 6 times 0 equal to 15. Now 3x plus 0 equal to 15. We divide both sides by 3. You get x equal to 5. In other words, x-intercept, which has x-coordinate and the y-coordinate, x-coordinate is 5, y-coordinate is 0. Similarly, we have to find out the y-intercept. Y-intercept is a point on the y-axis. This is where the line crosses the y-axis. So in order to find out the y-intercept, we have to set the x equal to 0 in the equation. So the equation is 3x plus 6y equal to 15. So set the x equal to 0. So 3 times 0 plus 6y equal to 15. So 0 plus 6y equal to 15. So divide both sides by 6 to get y equal to, if we reduce, it's 5 halves. So in other words, y-intercept is a point 0, 5 halves. So we've already found out the x-intercept, which is 5, 0. We have found out the y-intercept, which is 0, 5 halves. So we have to mark them on the graph. So on the x-axis you have to plot 5, 0. That's the x-intercept. And on the y, the 0, 5 by 2. So y 5 by 2 is 2.5. So we have to consider this is 2 and this is 3. So somewhere between them, that is 5 halves. So this point here is 0, 5 halves. So we have to connect these 2 points on the graph by means of a straight line. So extend the line on either side nicely. So that is the equation of the line shown on the graph. Hope this video helps.